Logging into your Shopify admin is the first step. Once you're on your dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Online Store, then select Pages. This will open a list of all the existing pages on your website, such as your About Us or Contact page. Find the page you want to edit and click directly on its title to open the editor. The core of your editing happens inside a text box called the Content area. Here you can type directly, delete text, or paste content from another document. Right above this text box is a row of formatting tools. You can use these to bold text, add hyperlinks, or create headings. If you want to insert an image, video, or a product list, place your cursor where you want the element to appear and click the Insert Media or Add Block icon, which usually looks like a small puzzle piece or a photograph. Selecting an option from this menu allows you to embed dynamic content without needing any code. Pay close attention to the right-hand sidebar under the heading Theme Template. By default, this is usually set to Default Page, which applies your main website layout. However, depending on your theme, you might have specialized templates such as Full Width or Landing Page. Changing this template can instantly alter the overall look of the page by removing the standard sidebar or header elements. It is also crucial to look at the visibility settings here to ensure the page is set to visible if you want customers to see it, or hidden if the page is still a draft. Before making your edits live to the world, always use the preview function. On desktop, you can click the eye icon in the top right corner or select View Page to see exactly what the page looks like before it goes public. Check how your text looks, ensure your images are loading correctly, and verify that all your links work. Only when you are completely satisfied should you click the green Save button at the top or bottom of the page. Saving finalizes your work and pushes the updated version directly to your storefront immediately.